I'm Kensani Maranele with your news update in your headlines. Zuma denies probing fraud claims against reinstated crime intelligence boss. Com returns to University of Zululand after violent protests. President Jacob Zuma has denied that he interfered in a probe into fraud and corruption claims against reinstated crime intelligence boss Richard Mdluli. The presidency says the Mdluli investigation is an internal matter within the South African Police Service. Earlier in the day, a Johannesburg weekly newspaper reported that information in a secret document showed Zuma played a role in getting Mdluli's job back after he was suspended last year. Mdluli was suspended in May last year after murder charges were laid against him. The inquiry into allegations of misconduct against suspended Police Commissioner Bheki Cele has been adjourned until Monday. This after the board decided that closing arguments would go on longer than expected. President Jacob Zuma announced the establishment of the Board of Inquiry last November in the wake of Public Protector Thuli Madonsela's findings that Cele's role in lease for police headquarters in Pretoria and Durban were unlawful. Chairperson of the board, Jake Moloi.
All the affidavits that were filed pursuant to the board's invitation to the public and the members or private organizations will be considered in as far as they are relevant to the issues at hand. Even after the closing arguments, any relevant matter can still be brought to the attention of the board.
The University of Zululand says the situation on campus has returned to normal after violent protests disrupted lectures and resulted in the postponement of first-term examinations. 12 students were treated in hospital after clashes between students affiliated to the National Student Movement and the Progressive Youth Alliance. University spokesperson Noma Zondo says 9 students who allegedly led the protests are under investigation.
All the student formations involved in this event have met and then agreed to resolve their differences. They came up with a memorandum of agreement and it was signed by all the parties to say that they're going to stop fighting and also find a solution to defuse the current tension.
Home Affairs Minister Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma has mandated the extension of operation hours at ports of entry and countries sharing borders with South Africa. Speaking at a media briefing in Pretoria, the department's Director General Mkhuseli Apleni says this was in anticipation of higher traveller volumes over the Easter weekend.
In anticipation of higher traveller volumes, Home Affairs Minister Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma has, in line with Section 71D of the Immigration Act 2002 and following consultation with all stakeholders at ports of entry and countries sharing borders with South Africa, mandated the extension of operational hours in Mpumalanga, Limpopo, Free State and Eastern Cape.